What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with my boy Edgar, and today we're finally gonna be working on this piece of shit again. The car doesn't drive. The car hasn't driven in like what, 2 weeks? Before it would drive like barely. Now I would just move it for the street sweeper, but right now it just runs like shit. Yesterday I even tried push starting it and it just didn't fucking work. I think the battery on it was like completely dead because it started leaking liquid. So today we're gonna do a bunch of small shit, try and get the car running again. I don't know how many times I said that with this fucking car, but I got a new battery, a new fuel pump, a new fuel sending unit, some new vacuum lines. So we're gonna try and fix the idle a bit and see what's up. I'm gonna need your guys' opinion on what to do with this car soon. So stay tuned, because I don't know what the fuck to do with this shit. All right, let's get started. We're gonna move the car back into the shade because it's fucking hot, bro. It's fall right now, or about to be winter, and it's fucking hot as shit. It's like, what, 90 out here or something? I don't have my quick release. Check the curb. That bitch crooked as fuck. I don't have my quick release, so I'm dead. You want to work on it like this, or you want me to go get my wheel? I actually like that. Dusty ass engine. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put the new battery that I bought into the car. The old battery, it just didn't work. I had already charged it once, I don't want to charge it again, and it already started leaking like liquid out the top. So I just bought a new battery. We're gonna replace the battery, try and turn on the car, see what it does. After we put the new battery in, I got this like new fuel pump. It's not new, but it came off of a running S13. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install this into your car. Let's see what the car does right now with the new battery.
Oh, I hit right in the foot.
New battery's in, my alarm works now. Hopefully it starts. Hopefully this shit turns on. Damn, I forgot how clean the interior is on this bitch. If only the outside of the car matched how clean the interior is. There we go. Is it gonna die? That sounds like a fuel issue, huh? Because it comes back to life as soon as I give it gas. All right, the car starts. That's a good sign. I was kind of worried that it wasn't the battery, but it starts. So now we're gonna switch the fuel pump in the back. I'm gonna show you guys how to switch the fuel pump. We're gonna replace that because it sounds like the car isn't getting fuel. Like, that's why it sounds like it's dying. It might be like vacuum leaks and shit too, so I bought a bunch of vacuum lines and we're gonna try and replace those later. I don't know if we're gonna do it today because it's fucking hot. Right now we're gonna change the fuel pump, the whole assembly, and hopefully that fixes the problem. If it's not that, it might be the fuel injectors. We got the new unit right here. This is the whole assembly we're gonna be switching. This is the pump right here. This is what measures how much gas you have in your car. So if your old fucking shit box isn't measuring the gas right, your tank probably cracked, or it's probably broken right here, or one of the wires got unsoldered. So I'd recommend just changing the whole shit. All right, so the first step in the hatch, I don't know where the fuck it is on the coupes. It should be in the same location, probably under the back seats, or it might be in the trunk of the car. But on the hatch, on the 240SX hatch, you lift up this back carpet. You lift up the back carpet and you're gonna see this top hat right here. You're gonna remove these 4 10mm bolts. You're gonna remove these 2 screws, and then you'll get a better view of the pump. Damn, we upgraded. For real. We upgraded today, check it out. So after you take out these 2 screws, this top cap comes off. That's for the connection of the fuel pump assembly. And then all that's left is just these 4 10mm. Once that's out, all you gotta do is push this clip in and then just pull this out. And now your whole top hat should come off. There's this rubber grommet in here. You gotta push this grommet in. So there you go. Push it out and then push it through there, feed it through there. You're gonna reuse this on your new one. Now you see the top hat of the fuel pump assembly. You gotta remove all these. You gotta remove the clamps on these hoses. And that should be it. Now the whole assembly should be able to pop right out. Make sure you have a rag or something when you take out the assembly because it's in the fucking gas tank, so you're gonna make a mess. We don't have shit right now.
Yeah, Jose.
We're just gonna say fucking and take it out. Hopefully it doesn't spill too much.
Milwaukee sponsor. The sweater, the shirt,
and the knife. Stop playing. Milwaukee sponsor us. Milwaukee need to sponsor me. I need an impact so bad. You wanna go later and try and return my Ryobi and get the ratchet? Damn, tiny bolts. Check out how tiny these are Edgar sized bolts.
Yeah, that shit'll focus. Oh, there you go.
Oh, I can't get that one. Or that one. God damn it. I don't know how to explain this, but it looks like everything under this trunk cover is like shifted to the left. Like it doesn't make sense. Like look right here. Like my crash support bar, I had to like literally pry it open and break into it to be able to take it out. And if you look at it from a top view, like you can see that whole circle is like shifted to the left. Like I can't even reach those bolts. I'm gonna have to get those out with the wrench. I don't even know how that happens to a car. Shit's weird, but 240 problems. Now, stop zooming in. After those 6-8 mils are out, all you gotta do is just remove these hoses. This shit gonna leak hella gas out, bro.
Oh, we just started it.
Yeah, we just started it too.
We just didn't start it.
Let me go get a rag. I don't want to drop the shit. I'm gonna just go get my GoPro for you guys too. Be right back. Now that these 6-8 millimeters out, now we just gotta take out these clamps. I got some rags ready because that's just gonna start spitting gas everywhere. Fuck, how am I gonna oh, there you go. Oh shit. Fuck, I don't want to drop this in there. That one came out hella easy. This one's, oh, that one's cool too. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, I can't fit this bitch through here. Damn, imagine I dropped that clamp in the gas tank. Alright, get your hoses out the way. That didn't leak that much, to be honest.
It smells good.
It does smell good. Now all you gotta do is literally just pull this out. Is there
have some of your gas.
Huh?
You have some of your gas.
Oh, that shit stinks, bro. It looks pretty good. This is still good. This wasn't even broken. It looks a little burnt, so that maybe that's why I wasn't reading good anymore. My fuel pump looks good.
Shit looks new.
Yeah, shit does look new, to be honest. Let's compare it to the new one.
Your shit looks way better.
Yeah, that it looks like this one was replaced. But these wires look new on this one. They're spliced. This is a different fuel pump. This isn't stock. Literally, all you gotta do is just take this one and just drop it in the same way you took out this one. I don't know. I'm gonna drop this one in there. Supposedly it came off of a running S13. I get all my parts from the same guy, so yeah, let's drop this in and see what it does. This is my old pump right here. You can see this connection broke off of this. That looks like it's the ground. And on this one, they're all good. Hopefully that's another reason why the car wasn't running good. But I'm not sure, we'll see. I'm still gonna keep this just in case, because this fuel pump looks like it's like really good condition. Whenever you guys are working with fuel pumps and fuel sending units and stuff, you gotta be really careful with them because they're so fragile, especially on these old ass cars. Edgar went to go get some pliers. I don't know if you guys can see this, but that's what the inside of a fuel tank looks like. It doesn't look too dirty in there, so that's a good sign. God damn. Is this meant for like hoses and shit? Shit grips it perfectly. Yeah. Clean off your little connection a little bit. And that's literally it. Now this is ready to drop in there. If you were upgrading just your fuel pump, you would just have to like rewire all this shit and put a new pump in it. I think everything else stays the same. I forgot how it went. It went like this, huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Line up your bolts again. Damn, these shits work hella good. Now you just gotta put your 8 mils back. Now, get your top hat, thread this through, get that grommet to sit good. And then you literally just bolt this back up, plug that connection back in, put that plate in. Oh fuck, bro, I'm too tall for this fucking car. And that literally should be it. That's all connected. Put your carpet back down and just fucking pray your car works. New fuel pump and fuel sending unit is in. That's literally it. That took like what, 10 minutes probably? So you just get dirty because it's a fucking old ass car. So right now I'm gonna try and start it, see how it acts. We gotta prime the pump first also. To prime the fuel pump, this is what Mr. Ford dealership says. You gotta turn it on and off 5 times, leave it on the 5th click, and then let it run for like 1 minute to 3 minutes, and then repeat it all over again like 2 or 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna let it run for like 2 minutes and then just repeat it over again like 2 or 3 times. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but you can like hear a slight ringing on the fuel pump. That's why on like race cars and like fully built drift cars and shit, when they turn on their ignition, the fucking fuel pump sounds like a second engine, bro. That shit is so loud. I just primed it a second time and I turned on the timer. So at 2 minutes, we should be able to start it. Hopefully it turns on. All right, it's been about like 3 minutes. We should be able to try and start it now. Neutral. Fucking pray for me. It started up way faster than normal. Hopefully it doesn't die right now. Nope. What is that, bro? Or actually, it didn't want to die. Maybe the pump was still pumping fluid through the lines. The idle's still rough, but usually on startup, the car almost always dies because it just drops down. Bro, it's so hot out here. I'm gonna let the car warm up for like 5 minutes maybe, and then see how it acts. I can still tell the idle's not perfect on it, so I'm gonna let the car warm up for a bit. I might try and take it around the block, see how it drives. I wanna see if it still dies from coasting to a stop, because before, if I was like in 3rd gear and I put into neutral and I was coasting to a stop, it would wanna die. Hopefully it doesn't do that. Hopefully the fuel pump was going bad on the other one. And I might try and do the intake just to get the vacuum lines on there fixed up. Or we might go eat before that, because I'm fucking starving. All right, I need your guys' opinion. All right, so we changed the fuel pump on the car. We turned it on. The car still runs like shit. It doesn't die when it started, so the fuel pump, I guess it changed the fuel pressure a bit. So honestly, I think it might be the fuel injectors. I know you could take out the stock injectors and you could send them over to a place, to a shop, and they'll rebuild your injector and they'll test it to make sure everything's running right. But this is where I need an opinion from you guys. I don't know if I want to try and get the car running. The question is either A or B. A, I pull the engine from the car, I pull all the accessories, literally just leave the bay like spotless, clean it up, paint the engine bay to leave it nice and... My fucking battery died, of course. But like I was saying, I have 2 options right now. Option 1, fuck everything wrong with this car, put it into a driveway somewhere and just rip everything out, paint the engine bay. I already have a gasket kit for this motor. I thought this was what I was gonna do originally. Pull the engine, replace all the gaskets on it, like the oil pan gasket, the valve cover gasket, oil filter housing gasket if it has one. Like just basically refresh the motor so I don't have to worry about anything on it. Paint the bay and just slap everything back in and make it as clean as possible. Or option 2, try and figure out why the fuck is running so bad. Maybe like change the fuel injectors, the vacuum lines, and just run the car with this engine and this bay, everything. Just keep running it until it blows up. And then once it blows up, switch to a new engine. While I'm driving it, I could like work on the outside, maybe paint the car, do 5-lug, get new wheels, fix the body kit, bodywork and paint. Me personally, I think I want to pull the engine first. I just want to get it out the way. Just pull it right now, paint the base so I don't have to worry about that shit later. But I want to drive this car. I haven't driven this shit in like 3 months, I think. I want to be able to drive it every single day. So I don't know what the fuck I want to do. I need you guys to comment down below. Like literally, if you never comment on YouTube video, because I never comment on YouTube videos, make this the first video you comment on, because I need fucking input. I don't know what the fuck to do. What do you think, Edgar?
Sell it.
Sell it? Fuck you, bitch. Deadass, what do you think?
I'll pull the engine.
Pull the engine? Just get it over with? So we both think we should pull the engine, but I'm not sure if I really want to do that. The engine seems healthy. That's why I want to pull it and just fucking get it over with. Because once the engine's pulled and the bay is painted, and the motor is refreshed and the car is running like 100% mechanically, literally all that's left is like wheels and paint, and the car will be like a solid 8 out of 10. Please comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I really need input, I don't know what the fuck to do. Even though I have this piece of shit, I have this car that I'm gonna do a lot of stuff to. I already have new rotors coming in, new brakes, so I'm gonna do a whole video on that. I want to do like an upgraded sound system and a bunch of other stuff. So we still have content for this, but I don't know what the fuck to do with this, so let me know. Because this shit's just been sitting for a while, and I want to drive it, I want to drift it, I want to do so much shit to it, but I can't because it runs like shit. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the 240. I don't want to do more shit on it today because it's fucking hot, bro. Like, it's ridiculously hot. This clip is probably too short to put into his own video, so I'm probably gonna add it to the next video, which is gonna be a complete rotor and brake refresh on the 335i. So I'll see you guys in a bit. I don't know how long it's gonna be, but for you guys it's gonna be a second. For me, it could be a week, a year, a month, who knows. I'll see you guys later.